Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to clone a repo from GitHub. So let's open a GitHub first. GitHub, and here you let me choose this option because I'm already there and I am interested to, you can say, copy this live training for this. Let's say this is a public repo. So to clone this, what I need to do, I need to click here and then I need to go to my terminal, and here I will say cd document, and here you can say I need to clone in my document git clone. Paste this. Now you are able to see it's downloaded. Let me open this into VS Code. So here you will say live training go Python. Okay, and here we can say code dot, and it will open into your VS Code, and whatever files are there you are able to see those. Okay guys, thank you, thanks for your